You need a push start? Yeah. Ral needs a push start.
Oh my god. Good on that.
Too long. I need a push start.
There's a car.
Alright, we'll go quick. We'll go quick.
Get a push.
Here we go! I do sound like Mario when I say that. Here we go! Push!
Like Chris push for a few extra seconds. It's not the spot to start practicing wheelies.
Yeah, it is. Fuck it.
If you know how to do wheelies,
Chris knows a little bit.
Hey, Andy, do a wheelie as soon as we fucking, as soon as we take off. If you fall, you fall, bro. I fall.
Andy, do it for the vlog. Andy, do it for the vlog.
I can do a little one.
Do it for the vlog right now.
Let me go slow. Take your time. Wait, these guys are turning.
Nice.
Damn, you get 5 tacos.
Well, I can't wait to just put you guys saying it on YouTube.
What?
You white motherfucker saying that word. You can't say that. You're not black. Chris, give me a kiss. You guys are literally fucking... You guys suck.
My face, yeah.
You guys suck, dude. Joey would have kissed me.
Well, that's Joey.
Joey would have did it. What did I step on? Oh, these are gloves? Oh, I have like glass right here. What do you got, Chris? You got anything for us? No?
He looks more natural doing that.
Yeah. It looks good doing it on sit downs. Got it, Andy. Next to you, Chris.
Right or left?
You're right.
Where's that street at? Right midway.
It's 60, like, we got a while. So I'll just take off as fast as we could.
Can't go. I can't go.
I'll fucking race you right now. Got him. Do a stand up at the next red light we get.
Hell no. I'm scared to do that at the lot.
You shouldn't be. Going to the left, Tris. Oh, this is a little tight. Oh, that was tight as fuck.
He made it tight.
No, I literally like went through his tight ass spot that was like, I had to turn through it.
I keep doing it, bro.
What do you got, bro? What do you got? What do you got for me? That was a sick ass one.
Nice. Out that shit, bro. It was a bounce point.
You literally you held it. You are getting better.
The pegs are starting to feel nice. First gear? No gear.
You're in no gear?
No gear.
Holy shit, what gear are you in? You're in no gear? You're in neutral?
No gear. You stop when you get higher up. Keep on going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Let's see.
Oh, did you see a spark?
I did see
You
a spark.
got, hey, you sparked. See, that's literally the worst thing that could happen.
Let me try that. I'm supposed to push the clutch in. Oh damn, man. You're good, you're good. Oh.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh. Let's see you. Oh, that hurt.
You alright?
I think it's just like stretched.
He just said pull the clutch in and you like just did it and it just went.
It bent my bars. I bent your bars. Where? Down there.
I'm
I'm straight right now. Here. Try to turn them? It's not like a bike. What bent? Yeah, this is like...
We're fucking stranded.